Hello everyone, welcome back. Today's topic we are going to discuss about for loop. Okay, so usually loops are three types. Okay, for loop, while loop, do while loop. Okay, so now we are going to discuss about for loop. Okay, suppose example, I want to print the star 500 times. Right? How you will print it? Right? I'll show you example. Suppose I want to print the star like this, right? 500 times, right? One time it is printed star. If I want to print 500 times, right, I have to give like this, right? It's a repeated work, right? 500 times, it's huge work, right? Still it prints, right? So to avoid this situation, we have for loop, right? So how to use for loop? The syntax is, I'll show you that. User to repeat set of instruction again and again. It's called for loop. Okay. So for loop we have to give three conditions. Okay. When we have to start and then end and then increment. Okay. So start and then end and then increment. These three conditions we have to give. Okay. So this is the syntax for this. For, starts with 1 less than, let's say, 5 times, and then print this once printed and then increment this. I'll explain in detail. Let's see the code now. Right, I want to print this star 500 times, right? So for that we have to use for. Initially we have to declare here I is equal to, int is equal to I. Any variable you can give any name, right? Int I is equal to 1. So starting with 1, right? And then I less than 500, right? Less than or equal to 500. 500 times I'm going to print this. And then I plus plus, right? I run this program. You see 500 times it printed in single shot, right? If you want to more readable, remove ln. Ln means new line. It will print this way. See, 500 times it is printed. So how it is possible? By using for loop, right? So how it works? You can give bracket here. Already I told you. If it is a single line, no need of use curly braces. Starting loop, no need. Okay. Right. So first, what it does? Int I is equal to 1. Okay. I is equal to 1 initialized. Okay. 1. I is less than 500. True or false? I is less than 500. True. Then it will print this. It will not go to I plus plus now. First it will check this. I is equal to 1. Initialize this and then it will check this. This is true or not. Yes. And then it will print this. And then the third it will increment the value I plus plus. Now what is the value now? Initially it is 1. Now I plus plus is increased by 2. Right? And then now I value is 2. 2 is less than 500. True. And then it will print this. And then increment the loop. Increment the value by 1. Again it will check the condition. Now value is 3. Right? 3 is less than 500. Yes, true. Print this. And then increment the value. Now 4. 4 is less than 500. Print this. Increment the value. And then 6. Increment the value. And then 7. 7 is less than 500. True. It will print this. So it will execute keep on this way. Right? This is, as a programmer, this is very, very important. This for loop. For loop, if conditions. Right? These are all very, 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 very important topics. Okay. Try to use this. Okay. Very simple. Also, we can declare like this outside also. I is equal to is equal to 1 also you can declare here, and you can remove this. Still it works, right? Or you can keep inside here. Everything is same. Okay, this is all about for loop. Thanks for watching.